Hey guys, Ninjago Rocks here. Here's a review of some Technic Legos that I just got at a store called Burnett's by my house. So I picked some stuff up. I'm gonna check out what's inside of it. And I'm gonna tell you. Well, I have opened this. I was looking around at it earlier. But I got a bunch of little here and there things. That breaks easily, obviously. Whatever. Okay, well, doing the Lego in there, and I picked the camera. Wow. Okay, so that's relatively what comes in it, but I noticed something. I noticed that it has the same kind of motor as this, the pullback ones. They have 3 of them. See? So I could make 3 cars that work exactly like this. So I wasted my money. This was only $10. I had a price tag on it earlier, but they took it, so I can't show you and prove it. So, looks like this would be part of a tank. Same with this. So you got that junk, shreds, whatever you want to call them. I got this stuff. Looks like it's part of a plane. Some nice decals. Looks like Japanese. Probably from I forget what the line is. There's a Lego line. I'll look it up right now in a book, but I'll do that at the end of the video. Now, 3 of these. Yeah, you got 2 of these grates. 1 extra of these. A couple random wheels, and a couple random pieces. So let's check out that series I was talking about. Okay, so I'm back. I went for my book, and here's what I was talking about: Lego Exoforce Universe. And I'm watching TV right now, so I gotta turn that off. Okay. Alright, by the way, check out Terrible Tommy, he's awesome. Anyway, so here it is. This is the line I think it will come from due to the Chinese and Japanese writings on them. But it's just speculation, just guess. But because it doesn't exactly say in this. If you can read Japanese, I'm pretty sure these are real symbols. If you can read this, tell me in the comments. Tell me what it says, that'd be interesting. But for now, that was it. Lego Ninjago Rocks here, signing off. Oh man, I failed today.